Okay, guys, this is in response to um, a post that I made on the gold refining forum uh, concerning electrical wire that is a percentage of silver. Now, as you can see, the stripped wire has a nice silver luster to it. And at first, I thought it was alloy, but as it turns out, it's a silver plating. Now, this is stranded wire. Um, Sorry the lighting isn't any better. Let me try something here. Okay, this is stranded wire, what I have. And here's the the bit that I've got in here with me that's coated, and you can see that the coating is really shiny. And if you were to feel of it, it's very slick to the touch because it's Teflon coated wire. It's really slick. Rubber coating on wire, when it's got friction, you can pull against it. You can hold one end and then pull against it, and you can feel the friction against the rubber. But this Teflon coating is slick, and there's no resistance. You can just slide right down the coating, and it's just almost slick as glass. And like I said, this is coated wire. Um, it's silver plated wire. It's stranded. It's not single strand, but it's got that real pretty silver luster to it. And this was actually, it was 3% by volume by weight. So um, I did a test run on this twice. I did a 1 ounce test run, and the yield on it was just slightly less than 1 gram. That's 3%. And then I did a 100 gram test just to check my figures. I digested it in nitric acid, and the yield on it was 3 grams, almost 3 grams even. So that's 3%. I don't know what type of wire it is. There's no numbers. I tried to find some kind of stamp on the wire or identifying marks, and it's really not identifiable. It sort of looks orange, red. I'm just a slight little bit colorblind, so I couldn't really tell you exactly what color it is, but I do know it's Teflon coated. um, and guys, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if 3% is worth dealing with. I just I mean, unless you got great quantity of it, I just don't see it being worth the acid cost. Uh, at 10% it would have been. 10% would have been great. But unless you're getting your nitric really cheap, just $3 or $4 a gallon or $5 a gallon, no, really, you're really not going to make too much profit at 3% by weight. But I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it till I get enough to process to make it worth it, and then I'm going to, at least enough to make an ounce, and just see how much acid it takes to dissolve it, and see what the cost is going to be, and just see if it's something I'm going to be worth being interested in at all. But anyway, this is what it was.